Hey everyone, I'm Sammy from Binance, and if you've ever wondered how to earn passive income from your crypto without doing anything complicated, this video is for you. Today we're diving into Binance Earn, specifically Simple Earn, a simple and secure platform to help you earn daily rewards on your crypto assets. Simple Earn is Binance's reimagined version of savings and staking, combining everything into one cleaner, easier experience. Whether you want flexibility or higher returns with a fixed term, Simple Earn lets you grow your idle crypto automatically, and in most cases with daily rewards paid out directly to you. It works in two main ways: flexible or locked products. For flexible products, you can deposit and withdraw at any time while earning real-time APR every minute. For locked products, you lock your crypto for a fixed period to earn a higher APR. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Now we will show you how to access Simple Earn via Pro mode. From the home screen, tap on Assets in the bottom right, then tap Earn. This takes you straight to your Earn dashboard where you can browse flexible and locked products. Alternatively, you can also tap on the More button from the homepage and use the search bar to search for Earn. And if you want even faster access in the future, you can customize your homepage by adding Earn as a shortcut. Just go to Account Center, tap Edit in the shortcut section, and pin Simple Earn to your home screen. That way, your favorite features are always just a tap away. You'll now see your current earnings, your total holdings, and a variety of earn offerings available, from popular coins like BTC and BNB to smaller tokens with competitive rates. Now let's find a product and start earning. To start earning, tap on View All Coins at the bottom of the page to view all coins offered or search for a specific coin you want to subscribe to. Each listing will show the estimated APR, the type of products, flexible or locked, and the duration if it's a fixed term. When you're ready, just tap into the listing, enter your desired amount, and you'll see a breakdown of the subscription, the reward rate, and whether you want to auto-subscribe future idle funds in the subscription page. Tap Confirm, and you're in! Let's break down the difference between flexible and locked, so you can choose what fits your investing style. With flexible products, you can deposit and withdraw your crypto anytime. These are perfect for users who want access to their funds at any time, while still earning passive rewards. Rewards are calculated based on something called real-time APR, and they are directly accumulated in your flexible assets every minute. On the other hand, locked products offer a higher APR, but you'll need to lock your assets for a fixed period, like 15, 30, or 90 days. If you redeem early, you won't receive the rewards you've earned so far. Take note that locked products and flexible products have different tokens available, so an important factor to choose between both products is the availability of your desired token. So if you're okay with locking up your crypto for a while in exchange for higher returns, go with locked. If you want access to your funds anytime, choose flexible. Now the question, where are your assets stored? Once subscribed, your crypto is moved from your spot account or funding account into your Earn account, where it starts earning instantly. So there's no need to claim rewards manually. You can view or redeem your assets anytime by going to Assets and then Earn. And if you're using flexible products, you can redeem your funds back to spot instantly. Want to automate your passive earnings even more? Try turning on Auto Subscribe. For flexible product with Auto Subscribe, any idle crypto in your spot account will automatically be moved into Simple Earn flexible products every day. And you can also enable it for locked products, which help to renew your locked terms when they expire. It's perfect if you always want your unused crypto to keep working for you behind the scenes. Let's talk about how your earnings are calculated with the APR breakdown. Simple Earn uses two types of reward models for flexible products. One, real-time APR. This is your base reward applied to your full balance, and it updates every minute. You can see this reflected live in your Earn account. 2. Bonus tiered APR. This is an extra reward given to select tokens based on the applicable tiers and the amount of assets you deposited. It's calculated daily and paid out to your spot account the next day after the calculation period ends, which means the third day after you subscribe. So even if you don't touch anything, your balance grows automatically minute by minute. And for bonus tiered APR, you'll see those daily top-ups land in your spot account. Now let's talk about redeeming your earnings. To redeem your earnings, go to Assets and then Earn. You'll see your list of active subscriptions. First, tap into the token you want to redeem. Then, tap Redeem, enter the amount, and confirm. Third, your funds will return to your spot account. Flexible earnings will stop at the time of redemption. Or you can tap the Redeem button at Earn account to redeem multiple tokens at once. Before you dive in, here are a few reminders. Use Flexible if you want easy access and instant rewards. Choose Locked if you're okay locking funds for better APR. Turn on auto subscribe to maximize earnings with zero effort. All earnings start accumulating as soon as you subscribe, and flexible ones build up every minute. You can also trade directly using your Earn assets. Just check the Available toggle when placing a spot or convert order. That's it for today's guide on how to use Binance Simple Earn. Try it out and let your crypto work for you, passively.